Hello, everyone. Does your organization have a need to manage contracts, expiring agreements, expiring insurance policies, leases? Once you kind of look into it, you'll realize that even a small company has lots and lots of agreements and documents that expire. And the key is to be able to get ahead of these and not have them expire on you, like an insurance policy that lapses leaves you open to liability, or some kind of agreement that automatically renews puts you in a bad mood if that's not the supplier that you wanted to continue to support. So what we've developed here in the DocStar document management system is a very simple and easy way to get ahead of all of these types of expiring agreements. Imagine being able to just simply click here and retrieve every single agreement that you have in one fell swoop, just like this, and look at it in a dashboard view. So here we have the title of the agreement, keywords that describe what it is, and the category that falls in. So I can sort by category. So in this case, we just have a few examples here. We have a lease, a couple of subscription, business service subscriptions, a couple of SaaS agreements, professional services for legal services retainer, and then start date, completion date, notification date, and review date. And these 4 dates are very important because obviously you're going to have a beginning and an end to the contract. And the notification date is when the supplier needs to be notified, and that's the last date you have to let them know in advance what your intentions are. We help you set up a review date that gets in front of these other dates so that you are in charge of what you want to renew or not renew. And if you have hundreds of agreements, like some of our customers, you can filter them in this view that we have, this dashboard. So I just want to see all the master service agreements, but I might just want to see them for SaaS. So if I just select here and refine my search, then I'm just down to the 2 SaaS agreements. Furthermore, you can use these categories to make security classes so that you can have your insurance department manage their stuff, your IT department manage their stuff, and the legal department, etc., and have each of those departments with their own security classes so they can't see each other's agreements. It's very straightforward. Finally, if you have complex agreements and you want to see other documents that relate to those agreements, you have the ability to see them in a concept called PackageWorks. So for example, if I want to see this Oracle SaaS agreement, if I double click on it, you'll notice that you have the master agreement, which we were just looking at a moment ago, but you could also have the vendor proposal, if you wanted to include that, any internal justifications, return on investment strategy or whatever, correspondence with the supplier, insurance certifications, configuration, you can define what these surrounding documents are, and they all are basically encapsulated in this concept called PackageWorks. And finally, we put it all together for you in a rules-based workflow so that you stay on top of these expiring documents and have an organized, rules-based process for signing them on time or terminating them on time. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions or have an interest, call us at 678-244-1705. Thank you.